Welcome back to another Power BI admin episode. Today we're going to be going to part 2 of integrations. Okay, so this one should be pretty quick. We are really talking about the Dremio, Snowflake, Redshift, Google BigQuery SSO. Enabling these basically means that you can do single sign-on integration with with any of these data sources. Now, there's some additional work that has to be done to first connect those data sources to your Entra ID, but this allows for the Power BI credentials to pass freely back and forth to allow for things like access to database, row level security, column level security, all that good stuff. Okay, so these are pretty basic. They cover those 4 things. All right. Next item here is the Microsoft Entra single sign-on for Data Gateway. This functionality is, again, pretty basic. You know, you basically allow for that single sign-on to the gateway so that, you're passing through that information. Frankly, this is something that you're going to need for almost any of your Azure analysis services, Synapse, DW, Data Explorer, Snowflake on Azure. All these things through the gateway, you're going to need to have this enabled. So make sure you just turn this on, right? That's no big deal, right? The last one, and this is the cool one, is the Power Platform Solution integration. Allow integration of Power Platform Solutions. There is a learn more here. So let's talk about what this one is. If I look at this, what this does, if we look at a Power BI report workspace, you can export that component data into a place that's in Dataverse. That Dataverse item can get tied to a report. That report, with this enabled, allows you to zip it up and deploy it to someplace else and maintain that connection, right? So you can actually create a solution here. Hang on, come back to it. Create a solution, deploy it to one place, where it's connected to that new place, and then even deploy it to a different tenant, and it will still connect to it. So it allows for that type of integration inside of a solution build. It's really pretty cool. All right, this short one. If you found this useful, hit that like button, share it with people inside your organization so you can understand how these components work and operate together. If this is too much for you and you think like, holy cow, I need help, head over to KratosBI.com, click on Get Yourself a Data God, and myself or one of my colleagues will reach out and we will help get you out of whatever pickle you're in. Until then, you have a great day. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.